Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. A little update on gold. Looks like we got a slight divergence here, so higher high, lower high in the RSI coming up. But I also put on the most very recent swings. I shortened up the longer one I had to the most recent swing to get a little closer level to with this pausing bar that's on the daily. You can see it right here at the 4-hour pausing bar. Gave us a 194.49. We ran up to 194.45, formed this divergence, confirmed this divergence, and returned to the 4-hour rotation zone and the gap fill. Hope everyone noticed that the gap fill was right there. And sort of a weaker rotation back up. Now, if we trade below today's lows of 189.35, going to be watching for about the 186.50 to 187 area right in here for the next key level of support. I'm going to update these also with this bigger pullback, and we'll do this now since that level served its purpose. Okay, let's switch that daily chart. So you see, not even reconnected with the daily rotation zone. So if we do drop down, you might get some minor support of that 188.22. I'm really going to be watching that 4-hour area and the 12.5% retracement. That's going to be a key area I'm focused on next week. If we did drop below that, if we had another bigger down day, we have a support shelf about 185.50, and then major support coming in about 182 at this point. Now, on that rotation back up, if we get above Friday's high, that's today, 192.96. Then I'm watching for the 194.44 area, 195.98, so 196, 197.50. Then the next major area is at 273, and then 209.02. Let's just take a look really quick on the week. Look how pulled away it is on the weekly. Not saying it can't go higher, but when we start getting overextended, I start watching, especially when we had that first divergence. So we are starting to run out of momentum. So remember, two things happen. We could get the bigger pullback, or we could get the drift sideways and let things catch up. It is incredibly overbought on the weekly. We don't know which is going to happen yet. I'm not even going to try to guess. I'm just going to have to use the price action each day and watch those key levels and the key highs and lows to be able to trade it effectively. So we have a weekly gap all the way down here back from the week of the 20th of July, which wouldn't even bring us to the weekly rotation zone. So we could easily fill the gap and then move back higher without even hitting the weekly rotation zone. Just keep all that in mind. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.